What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Kitsune update. In this video, we're going to go through some technical analysis, show you what's going on. Token has been out since March 8th. Current market cap is $1.8 million. I like this token a lot. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do not make investments based on what I say in these videos. But I do think Kitsune is going to have longevity in this space. I think it's going to do really well. All right, so let's break it down. This is the daily chart. That means each candlestick represents 24 hours of price action. All right, so let's go to the 1 hour and go through the patterns that have formed so we can try and predict the future. So this right here, ooh, that's just, that's pretty. That's pretty. I wouldn't have liked it to go down quite as far. See, it's retracing 80%, but that's like the archetypical Solana meme coin retracement. They pretty much all do 80 to 85%. I don't think I've seen one that hasn't. So that's kind of on par, but this is a bull flag. All right. Really long one, but that's what that is. And then you have the flagpole right here, and then it broke out to the upside. Let's see if the volume starts to kick in. So the volume, relatively speaking, started to kick in right around here. All right, you see it ramp up, and then it was in this upwards channel, upwards parallel channel that broke out. Look, broke out on March 14th. Broke out, came back down and wicked to retest. Let me zoom in so you guys see what I'm talking about. This is the 1 hour chart. So it broke out, came back down to retest. This is now new support. The top side of this parallel upwards channel is now new support going forward, all right? I'm actually gonna mark that, or we're gonna see if it comes up later in the chart. 0.002144, and you see the breakout on coinciding volume. Look at the volume bars at the bottom. It broke out, boom, with a strong surge of volume. You love to see that. You really, really love to see that. All right, so let's go to the 30-minute because I'm not seeing anything super clear with that. Okay, yeah, there we go. Yeah, it's just a bull flag. So we got bam, bam. There's the flagpole right there. All right, and it broke out again. Broke out of this flag. Look, coinciding volume. Look at it ramp up. That's what you want to see. You don't want to see just a breakout, just price action going up without a significant increase in relative volume. All right, so bull flag broke out, bull flag broke out, and then right here, this is a head and shoulders that didn't really play out super strongly. So I'd say left shoulder, head, it's kind of ugly, but right shoulder, yeah, this one's actually super ugly. I would put the neckline right here, 0.0052. And why am I doing that? Well, look at this candle, comes down right here, right to that level, and then back up to the head. So that's from left shoulder to head. In between those, you have that point. And then right over here, you have the same thing, all right? Same level, same exact thing. Solid red candle followed by a green one, and then vice versa on the opposite. This is just a false breakout right here. Just a false breakout. All right, so head and shoulders, which is a reversal pattern. And then what follows, well, this is interesting. Okay. It's like a chunky double bottom, dude. Look at this price action. Look at these swings on the 30-minute. That's interesting. Yeah, so it's just a double bottom. You got price coming down to this 0.003 high sevens. So the high 0.0037s right here, and then up to the neckline, down to that same level, and then up, breaking through that neckline, coming down. I want you to see this. So it goes up all the way up here, comes all the way back down to this neckline. Bam. Retest it, continues upward, makes an uptrend. Picture perfect. Picture perfect price action. So this is the 30-minute. Yeah, it's interesting because if I was watching this real time, I would not call this a double top. I just wouldn't, because this is significantly higher than the first one. So yeah, there's not really a pattern right there. That's just people taking profit, because you got this wicked up to 1125. And then over here, it only wicks up to 0.009920. So that's what, like 20%? 13%? Yeah, that's too far off for me to call that a double top. Maybe somebody else would, but I wouldn't. But you do know that this would be a significant support level right here. This was the double bottom. I'd put it conservatively at 0.0035. And then you just have lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And then right now, it's just in a fallen wedge. So this was a failed inverse head and shoulders. Neckline right there. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, but it failed to break through that neckline at 0.0035. So it continued down further, and it's in this fallen wedge. A fallen wedge, while in a downtrend, is a indication of a reversal imminent. So I'm not guaranteeing that's gonna happen, but that's what a fallen wedge is. So if you're watching this, yeah, it's not bad actually. Let me see. Yeah, it's not bad. Falling wedge. So if you're watching this, you would watch for a breakout to the upside, pushing through it, coming down to retest as support, and then continuing up and making higher highs and higher lows, because that's the definition of an uptrend. And you would want to see that breakout on volume down here, coinciding significant volume. Let me see if there's any other patterns that we can see here. Let's go to the 1 hour. Yeah, so that's just a falling wedge. On the 4 hour, let's see, this started at midnight. It has 1 hour and 19 minutes left. Because I only say that because you got a doji candle right here. So small bar on the center, equidistant long wick at the top as on the bottom. That's just a doji candle after a downtrend. So like ideally you'd want to see a solid green candle, and it would be a morning doji star. So if this turned out to be like a solid green candle after the doji, then that would be a morning doji star candle, candlestick pattern, which would be indicative of an imminent reversal. So let's see, levels, I'd put, okay, yeah. Yeah, I'd put I put 0.0012 as like really significant. Let me pull up the VPVR. It's probably gonna match up with the line that I just drew. Oh, it's actually lower. It's actually at 0.000938 Let's see. Interesting. So there's a good amount of volume between 0.0038 and 0.0084. So this range right here. That's pretty interesting. So this level, 0.0035, I'd like to see that be reclaimed, broke through as old resistance becomes new support. And then from there, things will get really bullish. To the downside, I'd like to see 0.0012 hold. You have a lot of support below that. But yeah, I would like to see 0.0012 hold. And then I'd like to see 0.0035 get busted through on significant volume. Love you guys so much. See you for the next update. Peace.